Hello there guys and welcome back to the channel. My name's Matt and today I'm going to be showing you how to clad a wooden framed building with green oak. And I've got some nice arched roof lines that I need to wrap the cladding around and also windows and doors. So I'm going to show you all of the intricate details on how to do that. And if you like this video, please do consider subscribing to the channel. It's my aim this year to get to 30,000 subscribers and it would really mean a lot to me. If you guys like this video then please do stick around and watch more of them. But without further ado, let's get into the video.